Stop spending money on expensive wellness shots when you can make your own fresh, delicious version at home for a fraction of the cost. In today's video, I will show you my unique ginger shot recipe that is easy to make, packed with both flavor and perfect for your daily routine. The best part is this recipe isn't just for personal use. You can also turn it into a profitable business by preparing and selling fresh ginger shots. So stay with me until the end as I share the complete recipe, preparation tips, storage guide, and everything you need to get great results. To get consistent results every single time, the first thing I do is weigh all my ingredients, starting from the ginger. Measuring by weight helps you maintain the same taste, quality, and flavor in every batch. This is especially important if you are making ginger shots to sell, because your customers will expect the same great quality every time. Here I am trying to weigh 4 kg of ginger. Our next ingredient for this unique recipe is dates. This date has been broken and the seed has been selected out. Instead of blending these dates along with other ingredients, you can also make your own homemade date syrup or date paste. I have videos on that on the channel. Kindly check the link in the description box below. So if you are using a date syrup or date paste, you don't need to blend this date along with ginger and other ingredients. What you just need to do is, after getting your ginger shots ready, you just need to add a drop or just sweeten it according to your taste. And lemon, we will also be using lemon. Once everything is properly weighed, we can move on to preparing the ingredients. I'll be peeling, washing, and cutting them into smaller pieces to make blending easier and help to extract as much flavor as possible. Now let's get everything ready. Next is turmeric. For turmeric, we are going to peel off the skin. Unlike ginger, we just properly wash the skin. If possible, use a sponge to wash it off properly. But turmeric, we are going to peel out the skin. Now it is time for the fun part, blending. I am blending everything until it is nice and smooth so we can extract as much flavor as possible. Now your kitchen is about to smell amazing. Into the blender we started with the star of the show, which is the ginger. Now turmeric is also going in next. Next is our soaked date. Like I told you earlier, we have broken it, we have removed the seed, and we soaked it for a while for it to get softened. Now add your water. Look at that rich color. This is exactly what you want. At this stage, everything is well combined and we are ready to separate the juice from the pulp. I boiled some cinnamon stick with the hot water that I am adding into this ginger slurry. This cinnamon infused hot water helps bring all the flavors together. It also helps create a smoother drink while allowing the cinnamon flavor to blend beautifully with the other ingredients. Give everything a good stir until well combined. After adding the hot water, now I am straining the mixture to get a smooth ginger shot. Now here is another tip. Like you know, on this channel, nothing goes to waste. Don't throw the pulp away. You can use it in tea, smoothies, or even compost it instead of letting it go to waste. Look at that rich color, exactly what we wanted. If you love learning profitable skills, I have a collection of ebooks and online classes covering baking, cooking, tiger nut drinks, healthy beverages, hair treatment, and face and skincare recipes. These are practical recipes and methods you can use for yourselves or turn into a business. Check the description box below for the link. So this is the time to get your lemon juice and then you finally add it into the ginger shot. Use a sieve while squeezing it out so as not to get any remnant or particles inside the ginger drink. And just like that, our homemade ginger shot is ready. It is fresh, flavorful, and much more budget friendly than buying bottled wellness shots. Whether you're making it for yourself, your family, or as a business, this recipe is simple and practical. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever made ginger shot at home, or will this be your first time? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on our display social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video for more healthy recipes and business ideas, and share it with someone who would love to make their own ginger shot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.